On this day of pride, honoring the brave who fought and died. Their sacrifice, a debt we cannot repay. Let's remember them on this Republic Day. So children, in your classroom, your teachers have made certain rules. Am I right? And while playing games, your sports teacher Jyoti ma'am also tells you rules, what to do and what not to do. Similarly, in our country, there are some rules and regulations which we all follow wholeheartedly for the progress of our country. On this day, we celebrate, we embrace those rules. Understood? Yes. Okay, now it's time for some questions. Then only we can get to know you are understanding or not. What is this? Can you see? Up. Flag. How many colors it have? 3 colors. Ma'am is not asking names. Listen to my question. How many colors it has? 3 colors. Saffron, white, green. And you all have flags in your hands. Show me your flag. Wave the flag. Good. Tiranga, Tiranga, our flag so bright, we feel proud when it stands upright. 3 colors and 1 nation, it's time to begin our celebration. I welcome Mrs. Pratibha Gupta and Ma'am Namita Gupta to unfurl our glorious Tiranga. As the flag flutters high in the sky, everyone, please fill the air with big round of applause. Proud to see my little Dalians ready with high spirits to entertain us. तो चलिए, करने देश की ग्लोरी को मोर, I welcome साइशा नेजा on the floor.
मेरा नाम साइशा नेजा है. मैं कक्षा UKG कीवीज में पढ़ती हूँ. आज मैं आप सबके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ. मेरी कविता का शीर्षक मेरा देश है. भारत देश का नाम है तिरंगा, झंडा इसकी शान है. अलग अलग है बोली भाषा, कई पहाड़ कई मैदान है. बहुत बड़ा है देश हमारा, परंपराओं में अभिमान है हमारा. अनेकता में एकता, यही हमारा संविधान है. धन्यवाद.
India, a land so bright, Kashmir to Kanyakumari spreads with delight. Himalayas stood tall and grand, Ganga river dancing through the land. We will get to know more and our knowledge will expand as I am passing the mic to Idika Rastogi's hand.
Everyone, my name is Idika Rastogi. I study in UKG Kiwis. For title of my rhyme is Land of Sages. I come from land of sages with culture rich from ages. I know the value of zero. My soldier are my hero. The martyr paid the cause. I love my country most. No Pandit, no Jat. I am Indian first. Jai Hind.
Welcome Shania Tandon on the stage to share her vision on more stronger and united nation.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shanaya Tandon. I study in UKG Apricots. Today, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to all. I am Shanaya Tandon. Today I am going to speak few lines on Republic Day. First, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. It is a national festival of our country. We are celebrating our 76th Republic Day. On 26 Jan 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect. It is an important day for every Indian. The President of India holds the flag at the Rajpath on this day. Republic Day teaches us to live in unity and peace. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now, to fill the air with melody and mesmerize us with tunes, I welcome our talented teachers on the stage and present a soulful tribute to our nation's rich heritage.
सारी जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा सारी जहां से अच्छा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारी जहां से अच्छा पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा हमसाया आसमां का पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा हमसाया आसमां का वो संतरी हमारा वो पासवा हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा गोदी में खेलती है जिसकी हजारों नदियां गोदी में खेलती है जिसकी हजारों नदियां गुलशन है जिसके दम से गुलशन है जिसके दम से रश के जिना हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज ये दीवाने की जहाँ भोर सुहानी देखी एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो कभी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। आंचल तेरा रहे माँ, वो रंग बिरंगा ऊंचा, आसमां से वो तेरा तिरंगा, जीने की इजाजत दे दे या हुक्म शहादत दे दे, मंजूर हमें जो भी तू चुने। रेशम का हो वो दुशाला या कफन सिपाही वाला, ओढ़ेंगे हम जो भी तू बोले। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू भाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा।
So now, I present Anvi Mayal before you, who will fill the air with high spirits and love for our country.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अनवी मायल है। मैं कक्षा यूकेजी प्लम्स में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है आज़ादी। आज़ादी का ये परचम हम हर साल लहराएंगे, वीरों की ये गौरव गाथा हम घर घर बतलाएंगे। ना जाने कितने वीरों ने अपनी जान गंवाई थी, तब जाकर मेरे भारत ने ये आज़ादी पाई थी। आज़ादी का नया रंग फिर आँखों पर छाया है, 26 जनवरी का ये दिन फिर लौट कर आया है। चलो मनाए जश्न, फिर एक बार खाए कसम, नया सवेरा लाएंगे, फिर एक बार भारत को सोने की चिड़िया कहलाएंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू अनवी फॉर योर पावरफुल वर्ड्स। हमें गर्व है कि यहाँ धर्म है। देकर जान उन शहीदों ने यहाँ की मिट्टी कर दी स्वर्ण है। पंजाबी हो या मराठी हो, गुजरात हो, कश्मीरी या गुजराती, ये भगत की मिट्टी, अटल की मिट्टी, सचिन, साइना, लता की मिट्टी। ये मिट्टी उस बाप की जो करता बेटा फौज में शामिल। ये मिट्टी उस माँ की जिसका बेटा लौटकर ना आया वापस। चाणक्य का ज्ञान है, आर्यभट्ट का विज्ञान है, अतिथि देवो फर्ज हमारा, हम करते सबका सम्मान है। कई धर्म, कई रंग, कई रूप यहाँ रहते हैं, बड़े प्यार से नमस्ते सलाम हम कहते हैं। डियर ऑल, कुछ लफ्ज़ अभी बाकी हैं, कुछ जज्बात अभी बाकी हैं। ज़रा दिल थाम कर बैठिए क्योंकि जश्न अभी बाकी है। To mesmerize us with their electric performance, I invite our talented teachers on the stage. Please give a huge round of applause for our teachers who are dedicating their performance to Indian Air Force. क्योंकि ये देश है बलिदानों का, ये देश है वीर जवानों का। वो वीर जवान जो मिट्टी से उड़ते आसमानों तक मार गिराकर दुश्मनों को लड़ते आखिरी सांसों तक।
तेरा हिमालय आकाश छू ले, बहती रहे तेरी गंगा। ऊंचा हो इतना, इतना बुलंद हो, तारों को छू में तिरंगा। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले। माए चलती रहे खौफ हवाएं, लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा। आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तू, तारों को छूए तिरंगा।
माए तेरे लिए मर मिटेंगे, तेरे बेटे ना पीछे हटेंगे। जब तुझ पे आँच आए हमें तू पुकार लेना, बलिदान का बहाना हमें बार बार देना। ये जो जानवान है तेरे सामने क्या है, कोई शूरवीर ही प्राण दान देता है। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले।
माए चलती रहे बेखौफ हवाएं, लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा। आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तू, तारों को छूमे तिरंगा।
तेरे बादल जुल्फा यार दिया, तेरे लारे अखा प्यार दिया। चल तेरा रंग महबूब दा है, गल्ला जन्नत पार दिया।
तेरे बादल जुल्फा यार दिया, तेरे तारे अखा प्यार दिया। चल तेरा रंग महबूब दा है, गल्ला जन्नत पार दिया। ज़मीं वालों को समझ नहीं आनी, ज़मीं वालों को समझ नहीं आनी। मेरी हीर आसमानी, मेरी हीर आसमानी। लिखी हवा पे इश्क कहानी, और लिखी हवा पे इश्क कहानी। मेरी हीर आसमानी, मेरी हीर आसमानी। तकदीरों से भी पहले ये बात लिखी होगी, मेरी बात तेरे ही साथ लिखी होगी। ओ तकदीरों से भी पहले ये बात लिखी होगी, रब ने मेरी बात तेरे ही साथ लिखी होगी। ये भी तय है कि जिस दिन बिछड़ेंगे, और ये भी तय है कि जिस दिन बिछड़ेंगे। जो पहले ना हुई ऐसी बरसात लिखी होगी, रह जानी है यही निशानी, और रह जानी है यही निशानी। मेरी हीर आसमानी, मेरी हीर आसमानी।
नाम नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत। ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले। आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है। सिद्धान के हिंदुस्तान बोले, सुजलाम सुफलाम, नए दिशा सत्य शाम।
I'm privileged to call someone on stage whose words are always inspiring and actions are motivating. None other than Ma'am Namita Gupta to please add some value to our celebration.
Outside in the morning, that's so much of happiness, so much of excitement, so much of josh, tricolors. So this has to be something very special. Being a Sunday, chilly morning, every day, one is here. So what is it so special, children? What is it today? That speak loudly, very loudly. It's Republic Day, right? So in August we celebrated. What did we celebrate? 15th August, we celebrated Independence Day. And you learned so much about Independence Day. And today, it is 26th of January. And we are all here celebrating Republic Day. So what is Republic? What is Republic Day? Like ma'am said, Republic Day. Okay, for you in simple language, I can tell you again, it's like on this day, 75 years back, a set of rules, a book of rules, they were ready, they were framed. That is called Constitution. So a Constitution was made, it was ready on this day. So why was this important? So this was important because it helped all of us, all the Indians, to live peacefully and happily in our country. Our country is India. So like we have rules in school. Do we have rules in school? That helps to run the school smoothly. Can you tell me one rule? Who will tell me? Get up and tell me one rule that we have in school. Any one rule that we have loudly? Huh? What are they saying? Don't run in the classroom. Say please, say thank you, don't push, be on time, come in uniform. So aren't these rules? Okay, she has come to tell me. Okay. Tell.
No time.
Be on time.
Be on time.
In the morning? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So you all need to be punctual. We all need to be on time. Right, children? So these rules, right, help run the school smoothly. Also, Republic Day is about the unity. It tells us about unity. And we also remember there were so many people who helped India to make this country great. So we remember all those people also on this day. And what is so special done on this day? Do you know that? There's a big parade. That's such a colorful event that's held in the capital city, in New Delhi. Have you seen parade, children? So what is there? It's such a colorful, such a grand event at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. You will see a lot of floats that depicts various parts of the country. And you will see soldiers, they're marching in perfect lines. Children, dancers performing, so much of music. And everyone sings the national anthem and they salute the flag. You know, when I was your age, I would love watching the parade. So I'm sure all teachers, how many of you love watching the parade? You love it? Okay, so I would, when I was your age, no, the entire family would sit together, chilly morning, wrapped in blankets, and we would enjoy the parade. So when you go back, children, you can also watch and see. You will also learn so much, right? Okay, so coming to, what is this? We unfold the flag today. So we have how many colors? 3 colors. Okay, let's count together. The first one is Saffron. Okay, so you know the meaning. What does saffron mean? Why do we have these three colors? Saffron stands for courage. Very good. That is for courage. That is for bravery. So that is like a superhero. Your superheroes, so brave and so courageous. So it tells us that we need to be brave. We should not be tense. We should not, small things, we should not get upset. We should face all the problems with lot of courage and bravery. I remember one day even Kamra ma'am was telling you in the assembly that don't get upset on small things. Yeah? So we need to face all these challenges with bravery. Right? Okay, so after saffron, next is white. And white is for, do you all know? White stands for peace. That is for peace and kindness. So we need to be kind and we need to be honest. Okay? Then the last band is green. So what do we see? Green. Everything. We see something around us that is green. What do we see? We see so many green trees. Green plants. So that is for everything that grows. So we need to grow. So much of fertility. And we also need to promise that we need to keep our country green. We need to plant. How can we keep it green? कैसे रखेंगे हम उसको green? When we will plant more and more trees. Right, children? And in between. Okay, let's not forget. We can see something in between. That is, what is it? That is a Ashok Chakra. Okay, and when you will count, you know, it's difficult to count from here, but it has how many spokes? Those lines? 24. Right? And what does it signifies? It signifies that we should keep moving. We should keep progressing. And most important, we should keep learning. Right? Don't think that I know everything. Keep moving. Don't be stagnant at one place. Growing, learning, progressing. That is how you can achieve success and you can do so much for your country also. Okay? Yes, so this was all about our flag. Right? And children, wonderful performances. I enjoyed listening to your patriotic rhymes, speech. You all spoke so confidently. Our teachers, they added so much of color to this day, so much of talent that we have in New Dales. So let's give a big hand to all the children and also to all our teachers. Okay. Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Thank you all.
रखनी चाहिए। जाते जाते हमें एक बात याद रखनी चाहिए, कोई भी धर्म हो, रंग हो, रूप हो, उनके लिए सम्मान रखना चाहिए। कोई लकीर जुदा कर न पाए हमें, दिल में एक ही हिंदुस्तान रखना चाहिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।